What's up, good people, and welcome back to another video. So the last video you guys seen was me totally failing at installing this brand new wing that is now on the car. So with the good help of my friend Nick, you might have seen him in a previous video with his white, actually it's right there, his white EcoBoost Mustang. You would have seen, his car or whatever. But we had to do some crazy stuff to get this wing on, do some really weird methods to keep it on, and I'm gonna show you exactly, or tell you exactly what I did. So we went ahead and got some wood screws and basically drilled inside of the wing itself. By doing that, the wing is actually planted now. It has washers, it has everything like that. So we only got 2 washers to begin with. So we were drinking, we were having a good time, and we didn't want to drive like responsible adults. And so what we did, we went to go get pennies and drilled out the penny and use that as a washer for the 2 inside screws. If you guys, like I said, if you guys seen last video, underneath where the trunk latch is, there's like there's two whatchamacallits, there's 2 holes. You can plug it up there. That's what we use the washers for. So yeah, that's basically it. You guys can see right now that the wing is on there. I probably need to tighten up one side just because it is a little bit loose. Just grab a screwdriver and screw it in a little bit more. I did go about $1.20, $1.10. Didn't fall off. Everything's all golden. Big shout out to my boy Nick. He's actually staying at our house. He's been here for like a week. And oh man, good stuff coming along, guys. Good stuff. So, do I recommend buying an eBay wing? No, don't do it. Go out and go to American Muscle and grab yourself a real wing or spoiler, whatever you want to call it, for your S550 or whatever Mustang you have. Actually, whatever car you have, not just Mustang stuff. But yeah, I'm cold. Time to go inside and have some soup. That's exactly what I'm about to do. Well, with all that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, little update video. Stay focused, be safe. I'm out of here. Oh, before I end the video, there will be possibly some merch dropping maybe soon. Talking to a company, they want to do lanyards. So I'm gonna do maybe 10 lanyards and see how those work out, see how you guys like them, and then yeah, should be all set. Once again, stay focused, be safe, I'm out, peace.